Excuse me, photographers.
Thank you so much.
Please get
It's such a pleasure partnering with you. Right. I have two questions for you. One, what is your favorite Bond character and which movie you like the most?
I love Pierce Brosnan as Bond. To me, he was, I think he's the epitome of class and handsome. And my favorite movie was was Casino Royale.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
so more recent, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. And the second question I had is, what were your thoughts about being a part of the Big School of Bonding campaign?
It's been it's been a pleasure. I mean, it's something that obviously it's very different for me. It's it was a very different experience. But the team, the directors, and also Sony Pix, everyone on my team, they made it so easy. And I had to actually act a little bit and stuff like that. So, but no, it was a great experience for me, and I enjoyed it a lot.
And I can tell you, our team enjoyed working with you.
Thank you.
Welcome once again.
Thank you.
Madam, stage, ma'am, stage, ma'am. On the stage, stage, please. On the stage, please. Still जाओ
वो बैठिए ना अरे इधर ना अरे और सोलो पिक्चर अरे बस हुआ यार ओ मैडम
full populate है इसके
I request all the photographers. Thank you, everyone.
Still, please.
We are now opening the forum for questions. We have the mics in the audience, so I request, and we'll get the mic sent across to them.
Oh, no.
Well, I mean, but then I understood it, and obviously, everyone loves watching Bond films, and the fact that we were trying to promote, James Bond, and and just the sheer fact that I was, I had that honor of doing it in this part of the world was great for me. So that's how this campaign happened, and I really hope that this does help, Bond, because James Bond is a cult. I think it's not something that happens every day on every other film. James Bond stays and will stay forever. So so I'm really excited to be part of this campaign.
Can we have the questions, please?
I can't see people. Yeah.
Hi, this is...
The
Hello.
cameras are...
Hello. Hi, this question is for Sanya. This is Arvind Raj from India TV Times. Being a sports person and being an active and fit person also, have you ever dabbled into any of the Bond type of fitness techniques which are always shown with the girls, the babes in the movies?
Well, I mean...
How much of a fitness freak are you? Do you resort to karate or any of the other endurance techniques?
No, I have to be for my profession, so that's something...
Well, what are the ones which you normally practice regularly?
What stuff do I do? Fitness stuff? I mean, I'm working out and practicing and gymming for about 5-6 hours a day. So it's like my day job. So like you guys go and sit on the desk 9 to 5. I have a 9 to 5 job which I have to do. So it's just that my timings vary. And I incorporate a lot of things, depends when I'm playing. But there's a lot of stuff like, there's so many techniques of training now, but a lot of it, there's a workout called Insanity, which I do a lot. There's a TRX band, which I do a lot. So there's a lot of things that we try and incorporate to keep it interesting as well.
The second question is basically being part of the sports field also. What actually prompted you, besides the factor that it's Sony Pix? There must be something more than just the Sony Pix or the bonding which has attracted you towards this particular project. What is the actual USP which has attracted?
Well, I mean, as you all know me for many years, I love doing different things. I mean, I've not just played tennis, I've loved doing everything, and this opportunity came to me at a time when my season just got over, and it was a very short, shooting period, and I was like, oh, it's a great opportunity for me to do this. But also the main love for it was because of the fact that, I think James Bond, we've grown up James Bond, we all have in different generations, and so I was getting a closer insight into it in certain ways, and also the fact that Sony Pix is Sony is a really big channel, and it's a very respected channel, and it's a privilege to be doing this.
हेलो सानिया, आप अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से कितना टाइम एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए देती हैं और कौन सा टीवी चैनल देखना ज्यादा है या किस तरह का देखना पसंद करती हैं?
मेरे पास टाइम काफी होता है जब मैं जब टूर करती हूँ, because I practice, I have 5-6 hours of work, and then after that I don't do anything else. So I have quite a lot of work, so I try and catch up on a lot of shows and stuff like that, but I try to watch movies. मेरा फेवरेट चैनल तो सोनी पिक्स ही अभी मैं बोलूंगी ना